There's a point in your life where likes and large following do not matter, where passion trumps the graft. As I sit amidst the noise of social media and the clamor of trends, I've realized something profound. These are all distractions. Welcome to a journey where automotive meets art, where the beauty of design collides with the power of machinery, where every creation is a masterpiece in motion. In this realm, we don't just build machines, we craft dreams. We don't just create art, we capture souls. Join us as we delve into the intersection of automotive and artistry. Here, every curve tells a story, every stroke paints a picture. Welcome to a world where passion is the driving force. Good afternoon. Today is part 2 of the fabrication of the Mk1's turbo manifold. My hair is done today because my wife was of the opinion I look like a hobo on the videos. So I had to do my hair today. But yeah, we have Shaun again. So just want to take you guys quickly through a quick explanation of what transpires with building a turbo manifold, especially when it's something like a six cylinder. There's a lot of jigsaw puzzling that you have to figure out, but yeah, I'm gonna hand that over to Shaun to explain to you guys. I'm not gonna have a very long vlog today. We're just gonna capture the process for the hour and a half that I'm gonna be here, and then we'll do a catch up on the VVL hopefully end of this week, depending on how far Shaun gets with his other work. But yeah, I'm gonna hand over to Shaun quickly. Hello Shaun.
Hello. Okay, yeah, day 3, 4, 5, can you done it? We about almost 3/4 in, 2/3 in. That's a better way to explain it. Okay, so you can't, I suppose you can, but sometimes it's going to work out for you, sometimes it's not. Normally with a 4-cylinder manifold, it's easy because you've got your 4 ports coming out, you know, so I mean, to put it together is not that hard, but with a 6-cylinder it's a bit more complicated. So
you have to basically work out
the sequence. The sequence. So currently, I've just welded out this runners now. I'm gonna weld that to the flange. Weld this one to the flange now. This one's also ready to be welded to the flange. Then this port is made and welded already, but I can't put it in place as yet. This runner I need to make longer. This was just a dummy to get the jig sorted, so I'm gonna have to cut this off, come further away and then go in. But I need to weld this runner first, because if I don't weld this runner and I weld this runner in place, I won't be able to reach. So yeah, it's a Lego block for Lego blocks for 30s and up.
I don't think the people I don't think the people appreciate how much work goes into fabricating stuff like this.
Yes, it looks easy, but it's not. It's not just time consuming. It eats the brain. But we're getting there. We're getting there. hopefully I can get the last runner sorted now and all welded up by tonight. I'm just waiting for the wastegate to come. Once the wastegate comes, I can get the wastegate on, and then I can start assembling and do the downpipe. But we're getting there. Like I say, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4. I've got 4 runners, 5 runners welded up completely. Excuse me, I've got 5 runners welded up completely, and then I just need to fix the last runner, make it longer, just to adapt to the length, and then yeah, then we can get it done.
Does length matter?
Ja, dit doen.
Ek het dit nie gevra vir daai.
Ja, dit doen. It does, and obviously you sort of need to try and get all runners.
Julle mense het veel gedagtes hier.
Sê jy.
Jovies.
Heidi, asseblief, kyk dit daarso. PG-13. Yes, runners does make a difference in the length. In this case, yes, we got a lot of space here, but we don't have a lot of space. So, I mean, if you look at the compartment here, it looks like there's a lot of space in here. But there really isn't a lot of space.
Because you must still do the downpipe.
Yes.
And all that.
Yes. So when the manifold is in place, to get the exhaust downpipe down here is a bit of a mission. There's a piece on the block that's sticking out. So I have to work around that section. So I've only got that piece here, because you can't go too close to the firewall, as it's going to burn the boot, and it's going to put heat on the carpet inside. So yeah, like I say, when building a manifold, I know there's a lot of experts out there who know more than I do, but you can ask them. It's about space. You need to make it sitting comfortable. You need to make sure that you can get the manifold in and out, obviously without taking the engine out. So it's about fitment, and let's just in the stance game. And yeah, like I say, let's see if we can get it done by today. Hopefully it's by today.
Cool. Gaan die camera net vinnig omdraai. So yeah, I'm gonna carry on doing the cinematics just to keep you guys updated on the process, and then let us know down below in the comments what you guys think, what we should start filming. I know we want to get everyone's opinion on that, but it would be nice to see what you guys would like us to focus on a bit more, and not just the stance cars and stuff. And what would you guys like to see in the future on the channel. Until next time, cinematics to follow now. Cheers.